If before 30 you have not built a 3-bedroom apartment in Lekki, you have wasted your life. Have you heard of such things before? They're all over the internet. Somebody will just wake up and say, what can I use to drive traffic? What can I use to pressurize them? Good. If you are 25 and you have not bought an SUV for your father, you have wasted your life. Now come down, go and check his own life. He doesn't even have a bicycle. By whose yardstick are you measuring when what should happen? Now, have you ever said to yourself before, wow, I'm already late. I'm already late. The question is, who set the time? I'm already late for marriage. How about your friends that are married but they are back at home? Hello? I'm already late for marriage. How about if God is preparing the man and getting him ready so that he can give you the best in life? Don't use another person's clock to put yourself under pressure. It leads to lack of contentment. Just being happy with yourself. Just being happy with what God is doing in your life. Just being at peace with what God has thrown your way. That is true contentment.